In this section of the course, we will learn computer science basics. First, we will take a look at what computer science is. After that, we will learn what computer programming is. Next, we will learn about the 5 generations of programming languages. Then we will learn what Python is and why it is an excellent programming language that all developers should learn. After that, we will learn what exactly happens under the hood of a computer when running the program. What steps does the computer perform as it runs a program? And what does this mean for developers creating computer programs? Then we will learn about the 2 main memory locations in a computer, the heap and the stack. We will learn about the role that each plays in program execution and compare and contrast the two. Next, we will analyze the process for getting the most out of this course. After that, we will look at some tips for becoming the best Python programmer that you can be. Finally, we will look at a recap of what we learned in this section of the course. In order to absorb all of that information and keep you motivated throughout the course, you need to be systematic in your approach for diving into the material. Don't worry, I have you covered, and I will teach you how to break down a large course like this to get the very most out of it. My goal for you is that you achieve any dreams you have with your programming skills. Whether you want to become a professional software engineer or just a hobbyist coder, the advice I provide in this course will set you on the path to achieve your dreams. Let's jump into the material for this section of the course, the basics of computer science.